Alright, so this is the Creative Outlier. It comes with earbuds, and this is the cable. Well, it's not really cable, it's wireless. And it blinks blue and red when you pair. So, and these are the pieces. This is the default one it comes with. And it comes with left and right. These little top things get switched out, and it comes with a little clip. This clip right here. So you clip this to your shirt. So it really doesn't fall off. You have two options. And it comes with this lovely bag. Feels pretty good. And these are sub $27. The sound is pretty good. It has good mids. It has good lows. The treble and the highs are not as good. And then I'll do a video of me wearing them. But this is unboxing the Outlier 1. These sound pretty good. They sound better than a lot of other wireless headsets. It sounds like a $50 to $100 headphones, but this thing's really big. Like really big. Like this is my thumb. It's like almost an inch. So the driver is really long, so it should push a lot of air. So